Nilfisk introduces the SC250, a new mobile battery-driven scrubber dryer, offering sweeping and scrubbing for the first time in a compact dimension. You will get an efficient and easy-to-use machine with a comfortable sound level suited for daytime cleaning, even in noise-sensitive areas. The scrubber dryer has a tank-in-tank system, which makes it easy to fill and empty. And the tanks are easily cleaned, making the scrubber dryer ideal for places where hygiene is an absolute priority. With its user-friendly control panel in the handle, it is easy and simple to use. Just place your hands on the innovative touch points and the machine will start. The high cleaning performance of the scrubber dryer is ensured by sweeping, scrubbing, and drying carried out at the same time. When cleaning, you can lift the front squeegee from the floor by swiftly pushing a lever. This allows easy pickup of larger debris without having to stop. Debris, dirt, and even the smallest dust particles are removed effectively. The scrubber dryer ensures in-depth cleaning of the floor in one single pass. Two different solution flows provide the flexibility of increasing the water flow during extra tough cleaning tasks, ensuring efficient cleaning and increasing the productivity. The compact and maneuverable scrubber dryer is the ideal choice for cleaning in small areas. It offers high cleaning performance both forward and in reverse and gets into every corner. Moving the machine around is fast and convenient due to its two-handed ergonomic handle together with the pivoting wheels that gives the best flexibility. Besides working with the handle in a fixed position, it can be floating and flexible for easy cleaning in low positions such as under furniture and shelves. By using the parking pedal before parking or transporting the machine, you protect both the squeegee and the brush from damage as they are lifted from the floor. Being a lightweight machine, you will find it easy and safe to move. It is powered by a new lightweight lithium battery offering at least 40 minutes of continuous scrubbing and drying. Nilfisk's battery management system keeps the efficiency at maximum and safety at the highest level. With this durable walk-behind scrubber dryer, you can easily clean the floors in one single pass, leaving no dirt behind.